Recently, this room transformation videos has gone insanely viral on the internet, and most channels has used it to blow up their channel. Take a look at this channel. They have pulled in over 100 millions of views, and they are already at 71.1k subscribers with only 43 videos. And they just started December 2025. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a high engaging video with only free AI tools without getting the glitchy AI videos. So let's get into it. So here in ChatGPT, click on this icon and choose apps. So when you choose apps, it's going to bring out this option. Then I don't even want it to load finish, so I'll just click on this icon here which says GPTs. Then I'll type in flow transformation. So when I type it, it's going to bring out the available options they have. So I'll choose between them. The one I'll be using is this one here because it is the best. So once I found it, I'll just click on it. Then once I click on it, it's going to show this option. Then I'll click on start chat. So when I click on it, then I will type in the idea. Just type in anyhow you just type it. I'll just say here, give me a prompt for a fancy dining room. Then I'll click send. Within some seconds, it has generated 4 image prompts and 3 video prompts. And the best part is that you don't need to overwrite your prompt or over sophisticate it. So once everything is okay, just copy your prompts. Now it's still generating, but once it is done, I'll just go ahead now and copy the image prompts first. I'll copy the 4 of them, then I would head over to Google Gemini in Chrome. Here we are in Google Gemini. All you need to do now is just to choose the create image model. So when you choose it, you need to paste in the prompt you got from ChatGPT, then send it. It's going to generate the image. So now once I send it, it's generating the image. And one thing about it is that you don't need to upload the image you generated again for you to get a consistent image or consistent room. Now it has given us the image. All we will just need now is to download it. Once I've downloaded it, I would paste in the second prompt. It doesn't take much time, and you don't need to upload the first frame so that it will be consistent. All you need now, just paste in the prompt and it will give you exactly the same room as we generated the first clip. So I've pasted in the prompts now. I'll send it. I'll show you once it is done. Don't worry, I will cut in through it because it will not take much time. Now this is it. It has generated it, and all we need now is download. And now here we are going to copy the video prompt. Once you have copied the video prompts, we copy the 3 of them. Then we'll go over to Google Flow. Go to your Google Chrome and search for Flow, and this is the one you choose. Sign in with your Google account, and this is it. So once we are here, just click on create with Flow and then click on new project. So once you've clicked on new projects, it will start up a new project for you. So once it is loaded, all you need now is just to click on this icon that says test to video, then choose frames to video. So once you choose frames to video, the interface will change a bit. So click here to add the first frame and click here to add the last frame. So I'll just click on it and add the first frame of the images. That's the raw picture of the room we got. So click on agree to agree, because this is just a notice. It doesn't mean anything much. So once you've accepted it, then upload the first frame, which is this. I'll upload and click done. Then I would also do the same thing for the next one. Though here it's going to crop it. If you want to crop it, you can go ahead and do it, but now it is in 9:16 aspect ratio, which is portrait. Just click on the landscape and then it will change into this. Now click on crop and save, then it will be uploaded into your system. So that's how it works. It doesn't take much time. Now it has uploaded the first frame. All we need also is to upload the second frame using the same system. So this is it. upload the second frame, and this one should be our second frame. So click done, and that's it. We don't need to do much. So once everything is okay, all you need next is to paste in the prompt you got from ChatGPT. That's the first prompt you got from ChatGPT. I would paste in mine now, and then I would hit enter. It's not complicated. So now I'll paste in the prompt, then I would send it. Okay, I've done it. Then click on the arrow to send it, and it will start generating a video. And one thing with Flow is that it takes only 20 credits out of the 100 credits that they give to you once you generate any video. But mine, I'm in a pro plan which I got for free with a system that I wanted to show you, but I don't know if it is still actually working. If it's still working, I would go ahead and make a tutorial on it. So that's now, this is the second scene of the video. I'm just adding it so that I will just send it, then they would generate at once. But I've gotten through this because this one is done already. So let's play it to see how it goes. Guys, as you can see, it is actually amazing. So just click on this download icon and click original size to download it straight to your device. So once it is done, we'll use the same system to generate all the other ones we need. And in the last one, I will show you secrets. I love showing secrets, you know that. So once this is the last frame now, this is the last one, just upload the last frame and then write in fast zoom in, do not change anything in the scene. That's what you need for you to get those zoom in that they usually add at the end of the videos you usually watch. So now I would just go ahead and cut it. Now it is done, so let's see how it goes. Oh my god, guys, can you see? This is exactly what I wanted. So I'll just download it, and then we'll go over to my favorite editing software, InShot. So I've uploaded all of them. Now I would now add a background music to it, and I'll make sure the background music is very loud, like more than the sound of the video, the sound effects in the video, because we are not going to remove the sound effects. So I will just add this. Now I've added it, so I'll just scroll it a bit so that it starts from the beginning. Now it has started. Let's see. Okay, this is exactly what we wanted. So I'll just increase the volume of the background music to 200, then to reduce the sound effect, just click on this music icon and then click on the video, then reduce the sound to about 50 or so, but make sure it is not up to 100 or 80. Now once everything is okay, just click here, and that's to apply all, to all. So let's see.
Under mushroom cap so small.
Okay, now everything is okay, but we are going to delete the rest of the background music. So once we delete it, it's time to export our final video. The guys, I can't imagine this. Can you see? This is really amazing.
Under mushroom cap so small, where the fireflies light the hall.
You guys, you've seen how we actually created it. Very easy, no hassle. So I want you to now go and start your faceless YouTube channel and start posting these videos immediately. But before you go there, please like my video and subscribe to this channel, because I'll bring in more AI videos that would help you to grow your faceless YouTube channel. So if this helped you in any way, please be sure to like this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.